Wait.
What's that?
What happened?
Oh, God.
I never expect to see you. Oh, God, you're alright.
Yeah,
Everything
man.
alright? What you do? I never expect to see you.
Oh, you know, say 2 weeks then give me.
But we never think so you could get breaks so soon.
No, man, them give me 2, them give me maximum for our next 2.
And get a whole a month?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, man, I feel is a good little thing, you know? And that's the back in the place. Time, hot and thing.
Yeah, man.
How are
Me there I wait for Master Joe. Him tell me say him have a thing for give me and I know me can't see him.
Oh.
So why you never phone me and tell me say you
like
come?
surprises.
Yeah, me could have put on a pot for you.
No. That at least, man. I don't have to worry about that. Me like surprise people because I saw me surprise if I'm man man catch him and give me bun. So I like surprise people. So that's what I know.
If you did treat them right, they wouldn't give you a bun.
Mommy, you don't know your son? Any girl me there with, me have to treat them nice. So them can't say I lack of money, make them left me, or I lack of, you know, we don't talk about that. Yeah, my mother, we don't talk about that. You understand? So what that is?
Nobody talk about that sugar food. Me not talking about things.
Still up and down.
You will put me in a bad mood. Me don't want to talk about that.
I mean, just married and done, man.
Married what? Married what?
Best couple, you know. When fight, I want to tell you true about last time to cook by next morning. I see I try to sneak him in and tell me, I come get him stuff them.
I come get him stuff them when me
but
tell
you
you.
But he never leave the next day. Well, but I phone on big people something that I don't be so we don't know.
Me not deal with him, not talk to him right now.
So how is things?
Yeah, man. Other than that sugar food, him we good. We good. Oh God, we glad to see you, my boy. But look how you turn up, eh? They might train you up, man.
Yeah.
A rock stone them, yeah. A rock stone them, yeah.
But that good still. Just they are doing have to do. So we say why you have up over there to eat something fast you can. Chef up because I don't have time. Everything down on the road is very expensive. I understand. I mean, the money spending right now. So we have about the can.
You're gonna have to wait for me for cooking up because you love surprise. You don't know, so my fridge full already. And me have you because yeah, man. Me gonna line up your favorite. Come, man. Me not
let me up on the road. Come on, go over.
Why I'm glad to see you. A whole month. How me lucky, sir. Have you?
There I know, but can't decide that's for me.
So you're hand and foot during church? Or you can't come in the house and carry the bag?
I go on the road.
Already? And you just come?
Yeah, remember, so I just come back in the place, man. I go on the road and now I go. See me can have a drink and them something there. Just carry back for your son and they're going so
so you come home for go have drink. Alright.
It's a long 4 week, you know. I'm gonna get to go nowhere, I'm gonna get to have a drink more than water, just water and being a drink.
So drinking at the house?
No man, I'm gonna get a strong special out on the road. Let me get one craving it. Who may knows? Nobody may know.
Alright,
so
that's you come man. For?
No, just go and tag once. So
Bob!
Wow.
What going?
I'm good.
You alright?
Yeah, man.
So you should me have so?
No, that. I don't really should me have. I hope me up too tight, man. Squeeze and see time hot. Come on, I cool shady. I'm not care about the up son. Where you there now?
Me there, what going?
I'm good, man. Stop. Where you do that for?
So me can't touch you again?
Yeah, we are friends. You can touch me, yes, but them
so
you do that.
You go here how long? Me not see you.
Oh, I'm come back here now, man.
So you can give me Papa hug?
Easy no, man. Just relax now.
You don't like your style?
What you mean you don't like my style?
So yeah.
I'm good, man. I tell you, I just come back. You see me?
So you care about me?
I don't care about nothing for you. I never think for care about nothing for you.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you remember me?
Remember you, yes. Remember say they have a man and me they like, but they have a man and thing. You're not good now, though. You're good now, though? Okay, so no one need for all of that.
Why are you difficult to deal with?
Watch out, mama. I'm not difficult, but if me come here and see some of them be like the time and then I have your man. No mind, come on for you, you know. I'm not too bad at you see me keep your friend. You're a friend, you're not a friend. Okay.
But we can't be more than friends.
Mm-mm.
Why?
No, we're not gonna be no more than friends.
Yeah, we can't be more than friends.
Why we can't
Move son and come up here, sir.
stop touch up my shirt? We cannot be more than friends. We are over there now.
Me not alright.
So we're man there.
Mom, eh?
We're man there.
Stop asking about man. You not ask about man.
One time I tell me say you know one day with me because me not have this and me not have that and your man have this and your man have that.
That time I pass.
So me have you now. You want me now? No, I don't really I don't really see us in this local lifetime. You know what I see?
Man.
Hello. Just relax now. We are friends, you know. You know
Me
me
want more friend. I cannot hear good. You're there for your dog. Which one?
We can hear you very, very clearly. You understand? We cannot be more than friends.
So you want to understand
Stop
so we can
touch
remember
me.
each other?
I don't want to
You know
remember
them
you.
matching something?
I don't remember you.
Give me a thing.
Girl, what happened to you?
Me want you. You're blind?
Listen, no, man. Me tell you, I'm not really ready for no relationship. I'm not ready for no relationship.
Me ready for do. Me
when me ready,
until I'm ready.
No, when me ready, we make you know. I'm not ready yet.
So me a choice.
Not really option. Say a choice or option, but them time that it was like me had the choice or option, you never want to with me.
Oh, you got the past somebody else?
No, not really, but me just not in it.
Hello, me want you, me don't talk.
Yeah, me kind of go up on the road right now. You really distract me. Me not care. You distract me. You get annoying. You need to go where me I go. So just go on now, yes.
Alright, baby, later. Yeah?
Don't be alright.
Alright, babes.
Stop touch me, girl, and go on. Just go on now. Make peace with me. Not too bad, I go. Not go on, I say, man.
Evening, daddy.
Evening or afternoon, which one?
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Daddy, tell me if I see one boy I have a crush for a long time.
That you really come here to tell me?
So me talk?
Oh God, me think the girl will come and say, Daddy, we done cooking lunch. Come for lunch.
And me talk to the boy I shoot me off.
And you gone back from the boy again.
Now let me finish talk.
This is why the boy push you off, because you don't have no self-control. You have to make sure your father eat at the time.
Me a father, me a pitney. Bonnie again.
True word. Me a father, you are the pitney, but you are 18.
Daddy, you know that me talk about the boy. What me fi do fi get him?
Oh, you have a crush?
Yeah, a long time I want him.
Long time you want him? So why you never get him back then?
You never have a man.
You could never have a man back then. You see, that me use catch you now. You think you could have have a man back then? With a chop off your head. You understand? But anyway, if you want to get a man, is he a good man?
Yes.
You might work?
Me not so 100 sure about that. Yeah, do I have money?
You have money? What you call money?
Money?
Because
You go foreign and come back.
the last time you see your cousin, they tell him mother say him man have money and how the man go fly out him and the whole entire family. All me go look for my passport, you know. They call me say me have to travel with my sister. Did they? Boy come a yard night and day and say yes, flight book. Take all my passport, you know. And take everybody passport and book flight. We did it like I either catch with guns. We don't know what go on in the society. We did it.
Why me head tough, so I am my father for sure.
But me talk no? We did it. 1 week passed. When it come down to the flight time now. Boom. Boy, they know where to phone. You know, see your cousin and belly she did left with. See? Boy gone. Left the unwanted pitney. Sometimes I can't want two little crackers go in down there. The poor little pitney. Eh? Now they get 6, they go 7 here now. For sure. Yes. No man now come check my family them again. So here what me I tell you say, if you love him without money, me will say. But if I money I love him for don't involve me in it, cause nobody not trick me again.
Actually you're the fool. But anyways, daddy, more money if you buy this in the feet. See, I just say you carry biscuit must go get.
Oh God, you just tell me say the boy have money and you come beg me? You know if you come so?
Me not just tell the same man that showed me off.
Oh, maybe something wrong with you.
What's wrong with me? Me hobby?
I can't tell you.
If me not gonna you me get it from my daddy.
And if you turn up a rink with him, you'll wet you for the Pepsi. Let me tell you that. If you get a good man, you have to adjust yourself properly.
Me walk up to him, no, I run me the hero.
You cannot look a man and just like that.
Oh, me just.
You're just like somebody I go down a bridge.
Go down a bridge?
Yeah,
But me and your pity.
I don't give a damn. Me nah pick side.
Anything me do, me take care of my parents.
I never sell front before.
Me don't know if I have front, you know.
You better go on here, you know. You better go on back up. You better go on back up. You're damn bright, but sell front.
Oh God, sun just hot so. Girl, I really have my staff for you. How you have to staff for me? You know, see me make. No, see my staff for. Me. Are you? No.
You me a talk to?
You see that you
girl, are you in the black and red? Are you me a talk to?
Oh, me a talk to?
Yeah.
Wagwan.
There. Then you in the era, when first me ask you about them place.
No, me in the era, that's how me live.
Oh, maybe I should be there for a while still.
Yeah, probably that. Come here and say, when I tell me things that my sister you looking at?
No, sir.
Come here and say, man, I normally admire me, not a lady that 2 p.m. no mind.
Yeah, why?
Yeah, me don't know.
But anyways, me not talk about man, me talk about me and you right now.
Yeah, we're going for me and you.
See our pass and me and say the black, the chocolate look nice. As
Yeah.
you know, that one, you know, the little spotlight there.
Oh, you know, so we can't text over the internet and get to know each other. No, me don't want to rush in or nothing.
Well, that no sound bad. That no sound bad. Would I
Let me
take
give
the
you my
number?
business number.
Eh? I mean a business number. Anyways, I'm not busy. As long as I get a number. As long as I'm getting a number, I don't care. You alright, little girl?
Right. Kayla is in it. What's yours?
Oh, you can call me Chris.
Chris.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, we talk. Yeah. Big up yourself.
Sis, you know say.
No,
You feel like say you have to go back in the church though. Cause the boy there would make one good brother-in-law.
No. You don't can't tell me who for there. You see that man there? You see where you look. I don't even know if you have money. Me you want money and you want money. I don't have time for you to look no man for second on. Man broke pocket man for second on where. You see me give me business though because a business me give my number for you. Business me give me fast. So listen to me now. You see true. You see now me. You see if you never talk too much. If you never use your mouth or yap your mouth too much like a full body. Mommy would have there right and put off your work. But see if you chat too much. Go talk about man under bed, daddy, man under the bed. You talk too much.
But
No, me have your work.
They tell me the little fufu so. But me see man under the bed, so me must say daddy man under the bed.
You chat too much. Me see it and me never say nothing. No, mommy run away.
Then suppose that somebody would do, Luna we never know and the man under the bed. So
Clearly,
when daddy then
somebody have to let him in the house, though.
Okay.
You have sense. You don't come tell me
have
how run
sense,
my
you
life. Me like the life I'm living. At least man still see me and like me. Me like the life of me and live.
Alright.
And come on too. But me and if I true, you know, say me think I should run a long time. From the sight of you at birth, me da run away.
Hi, Jay.
Wrong one.
No, wrong one.
Whole life.
Life alright.
You
Oh,
good?
no, me not good.
Me say me see your friend last night.
Mm-hmm.
I was so jealous.
Jealous how?
Because me see her on that head top. In the dark. So me like to and the man there get it away the good.
So where you try say now?
Huh?
Where you try say? I say you wanted to?
Yeah.
No, that you say one day I still don't complain. Tonight you can't get it, so.
Boy, me charge so much now. I don't need to jack the price, you know, man.
Look here. This is pretty and not cheap. It don't cheap at all.
Cost of living is expensive.
Exactly, that's why I have to charge you expensive. And you just say cost of living expensive.
No, I mean like that. I have to reserve some money. My daughter eat a lot, although she's 18.
This is not going to grass or you're making him go work. She 18, make she go look work.
Yeah, man.
Exactly.
Push her to get to work, but
You're not push hard enough, clearly.
so you want me to push him, make him end up on the bridge like how, no?
You see for yourself, so Bridge got money.
He got money, but he got embarrassment. It's very embarrassment. She say my daughter when me grew up so.
Well, guess what? I know you got embarrassed. Are your woman in take you after?
All the money they come from, you know?
I know.
Yeah, me just get him off the bridge.
Oh, so I hit me. So one day somebody will get me off the bridge too. So what is it tonight?
Alright, you can link me tonight. If you can carry a friend, you would.
No, I'm not bring her nowhere.
I'll pay double.
Okay, I will surely bring her. You can't even go triple with me car next one.
Okay.
Yeah, but that's what I get. Come on, my friend about.
Alright, we have 6 grand put on phone.
6 grand where? Yeah, idiot.
A double you say, a 3 grand I buy, and me a double it to 6.
No, you don't put it there. So I think you come with one bad 50, 60. If you feel generous, you add 70. You want me to look your back to you?
What?
Yeah, deaf.
50, 60?
Coach, not cheap.
On the public stuff on the bridge, and one of the private now so bad.
Hey, me private and next one public. Ferrell, are you alone? No, yeah, let me see, and the next white man.
No, that's 20 grand.
Yeah, that we work. That we work.
Yeah, let me later.
At 20 more and then I told we say double. Goodbye.
Why, what a thing. Pum pum not so cheap again.
Oh, God.
Oh, I'm tired.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Come on,
God is the truth, the way, and the life that He has led me to you. Time hot.
Time hot, you bring me there, walk.
Guess what, girl? I got some big mission for us tonight.
So our price range?
Maybe 20 minutes to go for, but if not, we can get more.
Like 20 a piece or 20 feet away?
I think feet we can say it a go double. So, you see me? So we can do that.
So 10 feet and 10 feet?
Nobody here who want 10 or too cheap.
I say if I 20 a piece,
I don't know about us 20 minutes to go for, I don't know how it go. So you come in or you out?
Yeah, you can come in for the job, I'm thinking about it. You don't feel like I can move to me too. Oh, yes, I can. You can go to 60.
Yeah, idiot, girl. How
you know what? 40.
Okay, so check what in the next 5 years time.
You know what we're talking about? What we are talking about? Right, to promote.
Go look work at supermarket.
Go take up a book out if you do. Book if you take up. So we are saying now, later what time or so, cause
girl, you drive her and guess what? This one you ain't got money and just me with it. Yeah, you did this yesterday in the bush.
Girl, last time I have one bad client.
I know that. I hear about it. So you want to teach me those words cause this one you see, what was I saying? Oh God,
yes, girl.
So can get a nice
yes, you see what happened last time? I'm original client and that. I make the most money off.
Oh well, this one I'm making most money off.
Okay, now yourself, girl. Now we teach and shred the ropes.
Yes.
Right, I'm there. I come back on the road. We need a bag juice. I'm hot.
Well, right now you know what I gotta do. Now I go my damn yard. I'm tired. Me did just have to go check my clinic. I'm broke right now.
Alright.
Yes, later.
Come on. You got to come with your tab. What you want to do for me work?
Way hot.
Oh. Welcome, Shaman.
Hey, you alright?
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I just saw me there here with one come and find out say come back in that place or something. And between me and my Shaman, me like him.
Okay. Well, it's a long time I know you and you're a good girl. Yeah. So, me wouldn't see nothing wrong with you and him at talk. So for a long time you like him?
Yes, long time from school days.
Okay. You tell him? Okay.
Yeah, you did that talk earlier. I'm single long, so somebody I wait for him now.
Alright. Well, we will talk. See ma come there.
Talk to him.
See. Talk to him, man. Don't be shy. A long time when I knock. You alright? Give me one now.
Mommy, see son hot.
You can't give your mother a guinea. Oh God, how that do you wonder?
Where there, so?
We just a cool out. Let me see. PT. You remember? We know so a long time when we used to run up and down and play and everything. Yeah, man.
I'm a friend.
Yeah, man. And when you're not there, she helped me out, you know. Yeah, man, a good girl, a good girl.
Thank you very much for helping out, mommy.
Yes, so welcome. Well.
You mean? Alright.
Why you shy?
Look at me shy.
And so you say thank you. The girl won't give you a hug, man. Hug up the girl and say thank you, now.
I get a lot of hugs, but when me reach, she hugged, she said she hugged me, and she hugged me again. Don't want hug bloody day. But now, you know.
Think so you two make a nice couple, you know?
I trust something.
Cause she nice and perfect and round and everything. Perfect skin, not a scar, everything.
Scar upon her foot.
No, when me did that really down. I'm a job.
Oh.
Remember?
So you cause the scar.
No, I know. But that's not my cup of tea right now.
What's your cup of tea?
No, nobody wanna stay single. I don't have time for the relationship.
What you do with my real son? You? No one woman?
No offense, but I just try man. I don't want no. You understand that?
Yes. But me like you.
Yeah, I like me too.
You
I
like
like you too as a friend.
Okay, so come stand up question now? Not as a friend.
I feel like I sit next to you. Mommy, when I don't come up in our yard, there?
Yes.
Are we having a buckle?
My chia seeds.
You start walk about on with seeds now. How much seeds this?
Yeah, chia seeds, man.
How many seeds? They look so. Not my swing.
I'm a nutrition.
You drink it?
Of course.
Yeah, take it.
You don't know what's good for you.
Anyways.
Bye, Bob.
Yes, man. Bye.
Yes, Bob.
Do that. Yeah. Later, here.
Alright, me see you at the house. You ever love your belly? Go look.
Alright.
No worry, hush. Trim just come and him tired. Him head not fully settled in on that. Me'll talk to him, yeah? Alright, don't give up the ghost. Never say never, yeah? Don't give up.
Alright, me there going to take the breeze.
Nah, me not wrong you. Me soon come.
Okay.
What is I wanna? Huh? What is I wanna? Pan road.
Cook.
Huh?
How food you go cook?
I go fresh up myself to get ready to go up on a mission later. I am going to the villa. I am going to cool out,
so you have money
enjoy
my...
How old are you?
18.
Right, so
Hey,
what I
Daddy.
mean? Me means I don't have to mind you again. I don't have to feed you again. Me could have put you out, but I don't put you out. I let you stay in the house because if they put you out by your own and anything happen to you, you know, you say me as a bad father. China need a lot of work down there, supermarket down there. You go get yourself a work, put a go hard. If you go hard, I'm gonna mind you because I know say.
Daddy, catch a breath. Me say boy, Maya.
So what does have to do with me?
See what I pass. I'm tapping mother say my talk to him.
So if me I look a girl and the girl no want me, and me see him mother come, if supposed to stop him mother, if tell him mother, if tell him daughter, if love me.
Your mother say me a right match for him too.
I go and tell her something. Never you buy love. Never you choosy nor bite. You hear? Never you trust love nor buy love. You understand? Never you run down somebody who don't want you.
I want time to run him down.
You're not listening. Pay attention. How you learn in school? That's why you only get one subject.
After your fault, you didn't spend the money.
I was spending my money, but you were
No.
skipping class to man yard. Anyway, get it me now.
If you didn't know, you chop off me already.
Yo, I told me never want to go to prison for you.
Oh, you know.
Anyway, you cannot run down a man. You say if a man don't want you, you leave the man alone. You say the man pay attention to other woman, you leave that man alone.
But me can't know if I pay attention to that woman.
You need, if you can't straighten up yourself, a man not go want you. A man watch how woman dress. A man watch how woman operate. You say if you're going to be a tick in a man's life, red flag. Man want freedom, man want space.
Are you look mommy or mommy look you?
Me can't tell her how me meet your mother, but since I was 18, me tell her then. I meet your mother over the bridge. Right? I see her and I like her and I love her so much. I'm passionate. Because that's how I meet all of my women. Them over the bridge, same way, it don't really matter.
So did I give mommy bun?
Listen now. It's not born, you know, hear what me I say. I love your mother so much till I take him off of the bridge. Make him stop the prostituting. Fall in love so much till me breed your mother. Right? Take care of you. But they always say, what in the blood, stay in the blood. Your mother, one day, you know, see, you notice you don't see your mother again? Few much years now, 10 years straight. Your mother take up yourself and go foreign and go marry a white man.
A green card, that.
And not even file for you, for show you. And him and the man left and he have his citizenship over there. But I call Donald Trump to tell Donald Trump to look for you because she run off over there. I make sure I get a contact to Donald Trump, make Donald Trump send her back out because me now suffer all the 10 years with you alone. I don't get back revenge.
This not for me, baby.
You should have put salt and pepper on your damn idiot. Go up. But you're there away from man. You get a man clone you. I want to know man, you come like a sardine in a tin. Stink when you pull.
Something.
Well, mommy.
Why in your hot, man?
Yeah, you know, I think I buy AC.
Huh?
No, man, a hot breeze come out of this.
You have big shot soldier with big money and can afford a month or so you can buy your mother AC.
So you go, when the time, man? The time right now. Yeah, so
So how you treat TT, so man? How you treat her so cool?
Who names her?
Tiana.
Oh, the girl. No, I don't say me treat her cool, but no, I'm not depending on something there. She a force up on me too much. But anyways, find a nice girl.
Tiana?
Yeah. No, a nice black chocolate. I'm so can't come here to make a meet her.
Oh. But like how you know you already where you know this one from?
See me see her in that area. But
sometimes what them say better the devil, you know. You don't know TT already.
I'm a friend.
She like you already.
Yes, but friends. Like me as friends.
When wanty can't get you know wanty.
Mommy, stop going so. I keep TT as a friend.
Alright, you must
when
know.
When me did want her, she have boyfriend and she never did want to give me a chance.
So you did want her then?
Did.
Me know so you did like her.
Yes, but me go away and me come back with different mindset. My mind change now.
You stop dream about her now? Right. The way you used to call her name in your dream?
No, no go reach so far.
Yeah, no reach so far.
And she alone TT, our anime me there watch it.
Me born now, me born just now.
Anyways. Tell her me so can no new girl come here make you meet her. Make sure you be nice. Alright?
Me on the orders now.
Me not go always do what you want me to do, but me I always do the right thing you want me to do.
As long as you do the right.
Alright, me I go hold her fresh.
Alright. Who hot man?
Mommy.
Hey.
Oh, go on.
Where you come out with big cigarette,
You know
things say you're train and I get your body fit. And they put that
This
poison in you.
This don't do nothing. Up on the road, me I go. Mommy, I can't do yard every day. Sit down with you. I have business to take care of. You know that? So I have to go up on the road, man, and do what I have to do. Yeah, so I tell her, say, I go up on the road, but I tell her what time to expect me, but I'm going to be back.
Be going on a date?
No, sir. A business I'm going to deal with.
You do business with TT?
Mommy, you come back with that again.
You do business with TT, them in mind. Me no mind as a daughter-in-law, you know.
Mommy, me I talk about government business. Papers. Yes, them type of business. Them I got bank, me I got the tax office, whatever. I just already do some business.
But our work and no play makes Baba a sad boy. So check in with TT now.
Mom, how much I talk to you about that?
Dum dum da dum.
Where we are talking to
dum da dum. I can't see the two no cute, you know.
No.
I can't see the two now walk down the aisle.
No,
I mean, I'm a pretty dress. I mean, I cry for my son to get married to TT.
Mommy, not bother with it.
What?
Tell her, TT I'm a friend. You understand? Me give her a friend. I put her in the friends one. So she stay over there. So she can't want up more than she cannot be too greedy. She feel even thank God so she get a chance to be my friend.
Are you special, so? She get a chance to be your
Mommy,
friend. Alright.
If you want her to be a daughter, get yourself another son. And then, but not for me. No me. Me and I not gonna be no no married part or nothing. So if you want her in the family, get another son. You know what I said? Get another son. Me I go on the road, me have things to deal with. Take care of yourself, yeah?
Alright, we gone inside. Hey, come on. Walk good.
Hi.
Hello everyone, spot so.
This is the only spot you have to pass in here so I can see you. So I'm going to come out to the sun.
I'm good man, me I go on the road go do some business.
Me tell you something like you, me want you.
Yeah.
You look like you're not here.
What me tell her say? What me tell her say?
You want we to be friends.
Okay.
But me not tap till me get you
Tell
so.
her, stop go to my mother. Stop go to my mother provoke me. Me can't live in peace in the house up there, you know.
I mean not tap till me get you now.
Me tell her say we can be friends. Satisfy, you know.
With benefit?
No.
Okay then. Me not
None
tap.
of the above.
Me not tap till me get you. You know here go?
Listen to me.
Has
Every
I
time
just-
God, me good man. Every time God say you get the friends.
Me water.
No.
Oh.
Every time God say we are friends.
Friends?
You understand?
Friends?
Because we could
benefits?
never be nothing
Right.
more.
Thank God we're friends with benefit.
We
Amen.
are friends.
With benefit. Alright.
Friends.
What going now?
Me good man.
Alright, baby.
No come by my name. Don't call
Me
me
like
so.
your fit. It
Call me
fits.
Chris. Yes, my fit fits. Your fit.
Yes, your fit fits. Baby.
Hello, I'm not a baby. I'm not your baby neither.
We not play hard to get. One
No,
play.
I'm not hard to get. You know, say we not three. It depend where you depend. Me no depend where you depend right now.
No one
Depend
me
on
don't
different
talk.
thing. Yeah, alright. Continue on me then. Me
So
can't
babes,
tell her
how
say
you
now
move,
go
so?
work. Watch you know. Where name? TT.
B me name.
TT.
They call me B. No, B.
TT.
B.
TT.
B. You know here good hour.
TT. Listen to me.
B me
Give me
say.
some peace of
Stop
mind.
calling me name
Give
now.
me some peace of mind. No?
Peace of mind. Come and me go over your yard and you get peace of mind.
Me good. If I that the peace of mind you want to give me no want it. You can't keep it. Hear me I say to you. Stop sit down and say daytime and I look out for me. Me not depend, me not in it.
But they have to pass us to go up or down.
Yeah, me run out of me run away, you know.
I mean run back on your camera if we have to go make baby.
Easy, watch you know. Just stop go to my mother, please. Just
If
see
you
me one
just
day,
agree
just
with
see
me
one
for
day
there
and
with
talk
me,
to me.
you go listen to your yard too.
Me I think about it.
Think about it?
Yeah.
Think about it yourself.
No, me can't think about it so. If me think about it, so me go tell you a lie.
Tell me I better you tell me lie.
I'm think about it. I'm think
No.
about it. Nobody I'm think about it.
Think about your yard. Me come on your yard later.
No come on me yard. Me think about it. Don't come on me yard.
Alright, B.
Me have
So I'm
dog
moving
over
move
there.
now?
Me I go up on the road. Go there,
Then if
me
you want hug.
No hug no night.
Alright, baby.
Don't do that.
Stop move, son.
Go on your yard.
Come and we'll go up.
Who are your girl? Me I go on it.
So go on, babes. Me sit down here, so. Go on. Yeah, wait.
My name Chris, not Babes.
I'm in name B.
TT.
Mama, Pepsi, the one you done to be. Oh, God. Little girl, come here. Afternoon. I say afternoon. Right. What are your parents?
Well, my mother name Keisha, father name Jerry, and my sister Kayla.
Who?
Kayla.
Kayla.
Mm-hmm.
Kayla. The tall black Margaret girl with the black and red hair, she was at a bridge.
Mama,
Your sister?
I know you chat about my sister in this.
Mama, I know that.
I know you chat about my sister. And that me I try to tell you.
Lick me in my face. Lick me in my face.
Me no want to lick you. Me no want to lick you. But just I know you chat about my sister.
Where you come from?
You don't even know that.
Me ask her where you come from.
Come from down so.
Tell you to take the answer, you could pissy tail girl. So long you take the answer one question.
People pissy tail skirmish.
James and me attack.
What problem?
I know my sister said a bridge, you know.
What problem?
She a give food?
What problem?
A problem? Me just stop and ask her because you give me attitude.
Are you first?
Let her cough.
Don't start where you can't finish.
Yeah, how much?
You need to know that.
Your brain can't piss, little girl. Come to the yard. Move in front of me. Go cross.
People like now go live long.
Man, your sister going dead. Remember front in cell. You might get shades and care con give you. Bright. Cho. Me body a bone me fi sit down. So me Charmian when I pass me so like you not see me. Me Charmian. You don't know say me a talk to your son earlier. And him a blush now, you know. And thing, but he no want hug me, still a push me off. Me tell if he talk to me, he's like, can I talk to me, Charmian?
I talk to him. But
And he not work with what me I do. Cause me like him, you know. I would have loved to stay in this area.
So him I gonna make you stay in the area?
Yeah, cause me love him till me fool.
Well, you did fool from morning, but he make you fool even more fool.
Yeah.
So what? So if Bob come tell you if you chuck off of a bridge, you're gonna jump?
Me ask him which one of the bridge them and me chuck same time.
No, girl, you know, for make man make you an idiot. So maybe if you cool down little, he will come round, you know, cause him like you. Cause if he never like you, he wouldn't talk to you. Cause him ranking out.
That's true.
So change your approach, little. Maybe you're coming on a little bit too
So me
strong.
Charmian, I want you to tell me, see, I tell her say, me alright, nothing wrong with me. No, you tell me to change my approach.
Well,
Or if you go to him, baby, you know me like you, so?
well, that's a work.
Or if you say, you know something I want you to do, what me do? Tell me what you do, let me Charmian your son, you know? And he's like, I cannot talk to him.
Well, may I talk to him, but him have him own a mind. Him have him own a mind.
But your mother.
He can't control what I go do. All I can do is influence and guide.
But a soldier man, me want. Me want him.
Well, if it's to be, it will be. You can't get what is that for you, and what is for you can't unbe for you.
You want me put on lashes?
If you don't like you the way you are, you can't change for people here. You just be you. And the right one will come. He will come round, man. I saw him stake. I saw him this stay from him little bit. Him say him no want this, him no want that. And then when you bend the corner and him think say, looking gone straight into the pot for the same thing him say him no want. I saw Bob stay, man. Him say him no want it and him resist. But keep on him, man. Keep on him. Cause I wouldn't mind you as my daughter.
Right. Mother cook for you everything. And when I sick, you clean the bottom. Me not clean the bottom, you know, but...
Alright. Me not call down sickness for myself. May I tell you, say, sometimes it's easier to catch bees with honey than vinegar. So change, if one approach no work, try a different one. Maybe try a bit more hard to catch. Alright. And may I run to the shop before it closes.
Okay.
Alright, but we'll talk to him again for you.
Alright.
Aye.
Oh God.
Oh, go on.
Me there. How you go?
You know, see how you may look for?
Me looking for your number. Could you just call me?
No, I don't really want to call you, see? I just want to walk and look for you. I want to show you that love still exists. You have to walk a mile, 100 miles, 200 miles. So if I walk, I have to walk you whole area, I walk you whole area.
You know, say, if I never for my sister to see me, you know why? Because she me and walk and look for. Because I send her out and all, she can't come back.
Oh.
So me I walk and look for her. So why you depend differently?
There. I said, boy, one time I see you and we talk. You have me just at 40. You have me that
Yeah,
way.
think about it.
Yeah, me I never
So how you not text me?
As me tell you before, I really like text people. As me call you, me rather call you, but true, when I give me the account, the number.
Yeah, me get the business number.
Yeah, me see Panny say business hours and but true, me not do no business.
No,
I don't know
man.
business I do. But true, me not have any business.
Online banking.
Oh, but true, me not have no business. I don't call you.
No, you still can call, still can text. So just to get a number there, just in case if you don't do business. Because I don't really know you take my number for.
What kind of business?
No, you don't need to know because you don't do business. Whenever you do business, we know about the business. Because people nearly not true admire me too, you know. Stop coming.
Oh, so you good though?
My son.
What,
Good evening.
Yeah, do send up a sidewalk or talk to yourself.
Mommy, you know hear the
Me not
beautiful
hear
lady tell her.
nobody. Are you me a talk?
Mommy, me turn up your sound, me hear the girl tell her good evening.
What girl? Me not hear nobody.
Mommy.
Well,
You know hear the
you
know hear
stand up your
me a talk to the beautiful chocolate, you know see?
Which beautiful chocolate?
The
You mean the
Chromans.
bitter girl?
We mean bitter girl.
You mean the
Listen
bitter
to me,
girl?
lady. Listen to me, to me carefully.
Oh, you touch up the bitter girl for you, no mind.
Mommy.
Mine, you turn bitter too.
Mommy. Stop with
Not
that
because I like you say now and we you go like you want disrespect me. Don't get me from the wrong side of the evening, you know. Do not get me from the wrong side.
Watch out. Hello,
A train
ladies.
station, everybody
Ladies.
name you.
Ladies.
Miss Chuchu.
Ladies, just calm
If
down.
you all couldn't know my mother.
Hello.
Improper fraction, lady. Where you come arguing me for?
You're a big woman too.
Me a big woman. Where you take this thing for?
something. You're big something.
Mommy.
Everybody
Come
know
on.
you're big
Come
something.
on.
Oh, Chuchu
Hey.
train.
You can't look at me from myself.
Station,
What? Our problem is come
Which
my way
train
now.
I come now?
Me, I don't think I'm
2:30 or the
my station.
3:30?
Mommy, just wait.
At the 3:30 or the 3:35 or
Mommy.
the 3:45.
Hello.
Which train I come in at the station now, little girl?
360 seat, yes, sir. Take it
No,
out.
Chuchu.
What
And
not
Chuchu, you run way.
Mommy, tapping nice now. You're a big woman, you know.
Yeah, and tell you, Chuchu, piss
Mommy,
himself.
tapping nice now. Tapping nice now.
Manners.
You're a big woman where you
How you can't piss it here? You must be the piss it here.
You have manners, little girl.
Hello.
You like
He's
that?
a big woman to you.
Hello.
If you ever open her hand up,
Mommy. Amen. Jesus.
Box me all lady, box
you want it. You want it. You want it.
Mommy,
Yeah,
That's
that's
true.
true,
Because
yeah.
enough. If you ever
Right.
open your hand
Hello,
up,
never go to business, man.
piss up yourself
All
to
right.
the little Chuchu mama. Hi. Chuchu.
Mommy. Yeah, what?
How are you doing talk with that
You're a
little
big woman,
girl?
you know. You're a big woman, you know.
Me I always tell you, say, show me a company, I tell you who
I the girl me I tell about. Mama, why you big out your eye them suffer?
Turn fool. Go and get training for turn idiot. You mean to say you have the nice browning
Mama,
that
listen
love you all.
Listen
That
up.
is a good girl.
Listen, me ask you one
tell me
question.
say she would chuck off
So, me
bricks
chat
for
now.
you.
Watch out now. Me ask you, what is love?
You have to ask that.
Listen now. I know how things now go how you want it. You understand? You not really run my show right so. Say me say more she or she more. You know tell me who me for
You
there
know
with.
who she be? You know who she be?
Yes, a nice girl.
Well, I hope you wear rubber and tire and chaparlin and everything all in a one with that there. Me can't tell you what to do.
You know, so me not hold in conversation now with her.
Well, you're a big man, so before hold it with you, 'cause anything I do you, and you say, you never know about that, and me people are gonna blame. So, while you're big and you're strong, carry the chaparlin, carry the rubber, carry the tire,
Amen.
and carry the breeze with that
done?
there. Yeah, me not done, but me gone. Oh. Sell me or sell who I buy. Me sell when me old and me sell when me young.
Oh, shit,
You have to sell in the sun or sell in the night. Sell me or sell who I buy. Me sell the old and me sell the young. Road empty, sir. Anybody, somebody?
Oh, yeah, sell.
Huh?
I don't see you with no basket. Me, I say you sell the old or you sell the young.
Me sell the young, but you look extra young. What if you sell? No more underneath me.
Eh?
You buy or not buy? Me a sell this God give me. Me not no money to feed myself. You buy?
Me never really buy nothing. Me just see you ball out say you sell.
Alright, go on, can you build me market? Somebody a come. Me sell when me old and me sell when me young.
What you look for? You buy or you want peak? You have to pay for peak, you know.
Me good man.
Alright, it seems like you're young. You don't know nothing about them as free stuff. Anybody say boy, this a idiot boy. Yeah. Every time I come from in yard, food, not even boy.
Food?
No, me say me I go cook some food for daddy getting here good.
Oh, yeah, go cook some food for daddy get.
Yes.
You feel like your father eat that. Your father used to the street. I was a pimp back then. Make sure me tell a friend now. I was a gigolo. I was the biggest gigolo. So you rather follow my footstep?
No, me follow mommy footstep and see mommy achieving life till he reach foreign.
Puss and dog don't
Have the same luck. Right.
Oh, so you feel say your puss have the same luck?
Eh?
You feel say you have the same luck as your mama?
Me not feel me no.
Let me tell you first thing. You say if you can't learn to wash your jars properly, you can't reach where your mother reach.
Me not tell you say if you wash the jars there for me, I don't want
You see, if you can't cook, you can't reach. Come out and run, let me talk to you. Come on, where you so? Let me talk to you. You see, if you cannot cook, you can't do what your mother do. Or everything you see your mother do, you have to do. Me not raise word.
So mommy did that?
No, my fault. Yes, your mama was one of the biggest.
Alright, so me not go follow her then.
I could have ever see. And I
who
fall.
make she reach where she did not do? Me want reach higher than her, so me go and follow her footstep.
Let me tell you this. You have a degree?
Daddy, sometimes you just chat and no.
Do you have a degree?
No,
Real who have a degree because they know how to handle themselves.
Me not have a degree, me have hacks or dove.
You
roll on.
You come from man, you mumble about man. Every time you go over there, food. So that's all your body works for, food.
Yeah, you have Finyam say, alright, you ever know daddy, I mean daddy, me can't talk with you.
Me feel like Sinner follow me.
Some bad
Sin really follow me.
Daddy, me ever get helicopter? Me do that and nearly pop out one of my bread them. Watch out.
No, I'm sorry, the dear me.
Me all hot. Some food me say me go cook for you now.
Father God, why me? Why? Why me?
I think
Out of all the father them in the world, and me are the only man stuck with something like this.
You know say me I think for that bridge?
Jesus Christ.
Come see girl them up on the bridge them ah. And I sitting so me I go try it to daddy.
Why you You wait till I come up. You wait till I come up. Damn bright.
Hello, where you come from?
Up the road.
Look how long me saying you on. You can take so long.
I want a girl to tap me and tackle me.
What girl tap you and tackle you about?
You say you're a whore, and you're a slut, and you're a prostitute. You're a slut and prostitute?
I take a stone and
away
bust
girl
off the
say,
high forehead.
away girl say that's why me ask you.
Me ever see me yourself? Me don't like slut, me don't like prostitute.
Me don't know.
You ever catch me on a bridge yet? Listen to me.
The girl ever catch up on a bridge yet?
Top me around and argue with me. So to me, I say, see next time I say no to you, no stamp on the road and hold a conversation with nobody about me. You go when me send you and come back.
Alright.
You come and tap her. I say, can you come around and make people in an argument, you know? Say, can you come around and people in an argument? You make me come around and people in an argument with me. Go in the yard! Just make you sure. Wait now.
How are you doing, sir? What one?
Nothing.
All is well? How was last night?
I'm if you asked that, so was last night.
Oh, excellent. Excellent, man. I tell you.
So where's the next one tonight?
Wow.
You deaf?
Let me ask you a question. Free rounds.
No,
Bonus.
no free nowadays.
Bonus then. Bonus.
You're not VIP, so you can't get bonus. Upgrade to VIP, then you will get bonus.
So now, When you sell me something when me not get in my hand, and I like say stay in my hand, as you not done, you not gone with it. Cause I not buy ya, rent it. Me stop. We man is idiot. I not buy front, I rent it. Cause if I did buy, you that in our house. We rent it.
Shut up. Anytime you buy rice and flour over a house, it stay forever? No, it doesn't.
No, it's stay there until we belly full and we alright and we nice.
Well, I stay there until you're satisfied and you're alright, so you got no excuse.
No, it's rent. I not buy
well,
kind
even
of
if
gone.
you rent, me sure no say rent
Full time now,
expensive.
we are buying. Alright, you see, next time, I want to know for the week, for the same 20 grand. That's a buy.
No.
Me have one go and use until we tired of it.
20, 40, 60, 80, 100. You see how far that go now? Okay.
No, listen, when you buy something, I tell a man, say, you sell, right? We're supposed to have one until when I want. Let you know.
No, anytime I go to shopkeeper and shopkeeper say, this year for this year. Well, if you want me for the week, fine, but you got to pay money.
Yeah, shut them out. When I buy Alaska or anything, it stay at my home until it's done.
But you're not
That's
listening.
what you're supposed to do.
No.
You stay at my house until we're done with you.
Listen to me. Anytime I go to shop, right? And the shopkeeper say, this year ferry. You can't go and say, me I go use it for such and such amount of time, so you for this and that. You can't tell shopkeeper that.
I see, and you see,
Well,
this is the thing when we're younger. Why like we don't want to use an head pan we. So we old. But you see my daughter now, I just catch my daughter down saying like in myself front secretly, you know.
Not a fear your data business.
I don't know. That neither. She not getting no money. Food, that's all. Food. Right now me I pick Aki and me I go depend pan for dinner.
No business.
For sure you.
That a fear your data problem. How me reaching at this so.
If that the road they want go down, you got
send him money.
No.
Look here.
I know be the one to send my daughter
tomorrow. You no business boy and you're picking it.
Alright, check me tomorrow. Let me see what me have.
30.
I can't promise you 30.
You have to give me 10 grand for Dr. Bill. You know the bell and everything.
Dr. Bill?
Yes, you have to go clean up yourself.
So me responsible to clean up?
Yes. I will do it. If me get no are you me catch you from?
You know. We'll see you tomorrow.
So 30. Let go take no 30. 30.
25.
28.
20.
29.
Me no bother want it.
Me no bother selling either. Okay.
Go on with it.
I'm going.
Damn bright. Me get a sample like me a business.
Hello. You there?
I'm in the shade. I want to talk to you.
Wait, before you say no. Now I'm talking to everybody's man.
If you never stand at the side with vagabond girl, I wouldn't have to say nothing. Ranking vagabond girl at that.
Mommy, you can't do them something there. You see me turn up with somebody attack, you wait. Or you know where you say out your mother. You can't say them something there.
Me say nothing to her. Me say nothing to the little chigger foot. Eh?
You see,
Me I talk to you and me not talk to she. Me never say nothing to she till she start putting on my face and want to rank with me.
No,
she don't know me and who you know, my head sick, you know.
Mommy, you can't say you embarrass me wicked to them and all that.
Well, if you never stand with vagabonds, you wouldn't be embarrassed.
Mommy, no call the girls. Everybody have feelings, you know. She a female too, you know.
She have feelings, yes. She have feelings and the whole world know her feelings. The whole of the bridge, under the bridge, over the bridge and round the bridge know our feelings.
What's on the man? Anything you keep it to yourself. Nobody needs to know your thoughts. Nobody needs to know what you want to say.
Me I tell you,
me know I hear nothing from you. I don't need to hear it. You know, no manners.
Hey, but remember who you talk to, you know? So nobody pass your place, you know? Nobody pass your place, you know how you talk to, you know?
Wrong, me I gotta tell us you're wrong, and you are very much wrong. You cannot do that. You
if the chigger foot never rank with me in the first place, me wouldn't put her in her place.
So now
She
you,
not-
are you first face with her and you come, oh, me not see nobody. We are talk to, we not see nobody.
So better me not say nothing. If me not have nothing nice to say, better me not say nothing at all. I tried to say
So why
nothing
did
at all.
you say something to her?
She come rank with me.
You know, make it
You know, sister, me tell you something, me not
Hello.
talk to. It's only you, me say, only you me I talk to.
You need to fix your attitude.
You need to find a banana leaf, wrap it with if that you're going.
Everything good, man.
Remember the chipotle, go buy the chipotle, go buy the rubber, and I'll use banana leaf too. Cause ears hard, you're gonna feel. About me rank.
Jesus Christ, look at dirty girl. Come here there.
Well gone, girl.
No, I'm gone. Guess what?
What happened?
Today, I see man where we gone. You know, yesterday? Yes.
What do you know?
I see him today. And it's a bigger food.
Sometimes I look
Girl, when I say
it.
bigger, I must say 5 day and 5 day, 100 grand.
I'm not too know what that type of work there, but I feel like I get too greedy now.
How may I get greedy?
You want
You
more.
have
You go
to
last
live.
night, you want again.
Look up on you. Are you boss me now? You have to get here sometimes 5 people in a one day. You have to get bad. You never did know say that greedy.
Then I did back. Then I did back.
Okay, well, I know me take it
well,
great
yeah,
from.
something tell a girl.
What, speak.
I see one little boy, I like her. This man, he mother that try style me, you know, but I have to dog her up in the most way, you know. Hey, alright. But I see the boy, and me have like catch a feelings him, I like him, and me I plan for come out of like a business here.
Look here, you see any feelings you catch, you better let it go out here.
Why?
Simple. Girl,
I plan to
look
tap this
on
business, yeah.
Coop on them, yeah.
Yeah, me here.
A man do that.
No, me
Them where you wear, a man do it.
No, I'm not into it.
Kiss me teeth.
But girl, he will work and mind me. He will foreign and fly, go fly, come back.
I
Me need a relationship right now.
So if I never find out, you do that with him.
But I still there with him.
Look here, the only
Me need a relationship.
The only relationship you need is with God. Once you have God, you're alright. You don't want anymore.
But God can't give me what I want.
Or who I give what you want then?
God
If I
can't
never
please
God,
you down here, so.
if I never God, how you don't have money and life and everything? Okay.
Me not say God no help me, but girl. Sometimes me need like a warmness. Me need somebody who go be there for me. You see, little thing with me, I don't know, it's not right.
Oh.
Me I sleep with everybody. That's not a relationship. I want something real.
No, that's a cruise ship. Because
More change.
you're going to regret that, you know, girl. Remember me tell you, mark your word the way I come out of my stink out. You see, you are going to regret that. Watch anytime you go in a relationship.
Alright.
Man a dog, man a go stress you. I want me to say something. I say something about man a this and man a that. Look here, don't do it. Live your life stress free. Enjoy single life. Man a dog, man a shit house, man a everything.
Alright. Me not
Man
about
a
change.
stress.
Yes, me not about change.
Yes, the only thing you have to change your clothes and hairstyle.
Alright, me not about change.
Yes, go on your yard.
So, when I say about the business now.
Oh, tomorrow. Me the time say me I go link him tomorrow.
Alright, so.
Yes.
Tomorrow me talk about that.
Yes, text me.
Yeah, later.
Yes.
Bob! Boy! I like this.
Eh? What's up on the road me I got to as a call me?
And that me I call you about. Since you come, me hardly see you, you know. A road you live pan.
No, but
morning, noon and night. Go come.
Yeah.
Me just a hotel, just a catch.
Mommy, stop going someone. Where say go on now?
If me did, me wouldn't mind if it's date to the pan. You can leave.
Soon. So go on date. You know, I will try some.
Yes. You really a go fit?
Yeah.
You go fear.
Who?
The one me talk about, that me I tell you,
Who
man,
you
nice and browny TT.
No.
I should love you for a long time, and that me did I say,
Yeah,
man.
girl good on a browning, mommy, a chocolate. And a browning. What? You think she brown? She never brown. You never see her good. She never brown.
Are the choo-choo chain you go for?
She not true chain, but
Lord.
she wear cast her, she may go for.
Boy, how much subject you come out of school with?
3.
Eh?
3.
And you lose all of them.
You still have them.
You lose all of them. You make your little head think for your big head. Eh? Well, me I go come out with it plain and straight. What is the oldest profession woman doing in the Bible? The oldest profession.
What?
What?
Yeah, about.
What you talk about? You're a man. You're supposed to know.
Mommy, you cannot use
that chocolate is used chocolate. Why you think me call her choo-choo train? You know how much man go through that this station? She's a prostitute. She gonna bring everything to you. That's why me I tell you if you use the chapalin, use the rubber hose, she a prostitute. Since you know. Prostitute, whore, Jezebel, woman of the night. That is why I'm not like her for you.
Wait.
That's why me I tell you, go for TT. She's a good girl.
Wait.
You can't go date no whore.
This is a prostitute, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, the internet have everything. Let me see what is a prostitute. Wait.
Mm-hmm. Look up and see if you not see the choo-choo train.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Choo-choo train.
Whore and tell
her you not no picture her.
She don't know prostitute. No we picture her open. She don't know prostitute, mommy. A nice girl. You know, she's a nice black
choo-choo train. Train station.
You're full of too much argument.
Well, let me ask you one thing for your business. The only thing me beg you since you determined how days picnic must feel at TT, me tell you if you go far. But if you gotta stick to the chocolate, make sure you wrap him. You wrap him like say you got foreign.
Hold them conversation.
Well, we have to hold them conversation because when you come back and tell me, say, Mommy, me have disease, I don't know where me get it from. And me I go come to. So wrap him like say a foreign in my God, that's all me I tell you. Go on the road. Go on the road. But wrap him.
Wrap what?
Wrap him.
Wrap what?
Want a joke from Jacqueline, but you have to drop for the rubbers.
So that
for the rubbers.
Go
on before you get too rank.
Okay.
Go on before you get too rank. Rap it, my boy. Rap it good.
Well on, Bob.
What?
Today good?
Yeah, man. Where you come from?
Come from me yard. Up the road me I come go do the business. Oh yeah, they walk with me go there?
No. Up on the road me I go.
So you not come with me?
No, me have business to take care of. Remember, say me is a busy man, you know.
So me I come on the road with you then go do with business?
No, you can't come on the road. You come, you stay, you got your yard and me come off the road, me come check you, all that sound.
No, me I can't walk on the road.
Walk on, girl.
Walk on.
No, where's a new kaki?
Eh?
A new kaki? I
Where-
like it. You feel like you can boss me too.
What you mean, boss, yo?
What's about what?
New.
What you mean new?
New
What you mean
client.
new client? What you mean by new
Sir,
client?
we are prostitutes. Pam. How are you
Chat
ashamed of
too
yourself?
much. And the money some you tell some like.
Oh no, not that the one day. Like, let me see now. A prostitute, like you know when you're
So my mother did
no
right.
weird, no prostitute.
Me not talk to you.
Shut up, you can't chat to me.
So my mother did right.
Let me explain to you. Me the prostitute one time, but since me meet you, me say me want change my life. Cause I alone me want.
You really are going yesterday she
Alright,
told me say
yeah,
she
wa.
not change.
Like I say, I got change.
Yes.
I go get a try because I love to see you, man.
Yes, I
You
love it too.
understand? So, that good, man.
Yes,
I
come
say I
on.
got change, I got change. Me tell her
Yes.
before me I go
No,
on the road.
we must come on together. So come on. Bye,
Alright,
girl.
you can't care with me.
Oh.
Dirty girl! Move away from my future husband. You could have bright.
Where are you? Come
Who
here.
this?
What are you doing?
Who that
You
there?
really want a little self-front girl?
Yes!
So boring girl?
Yes,
When
me
I
want
come
her. But guess what? I'm in love with the prostitute.
Yes.
You understand?
Bright.
Alright, so please.
Clap that thief. You have bang a pay man good in who give you nothing.
So please
Out of
walk with
order.
grace. What? Hey,
Hey,
don't.
stink out, girl, walk this up.
Hello.
Nah, bad
Back
girl.
away from my
Think you that
Hello.
dirty self
Back away
girl.
from my girl. Back away. Come on,
Out
babes.
of order. Girl, you see if you don't bang it done, so you don't work out it, but you don't bang it, Lord.
Alright.
Bang it.
Okay.
Right, you want to argue with me, girl? Out of order. She said you are for your mother slowly in a big stinking girl.
Why the rain bring all of it?
Miss Charmian. Evelyn.
Evening, what do
You
you?
know, say you not do your job good. You not do the job good. Me tell us, son, me want him. I'm seeing down there with the big dot thinking girl.
For real?
Boss say me in love with her. Me in love with her.
Well, me talk to him.
Then you not talk enough.
Me talk, and me even tell him the truth, tell him who she be, and him same choose her. So,
Can you not
well,
feel him catch yes gonna
me tell him for rappy, that's all me can do is advise. Me tell him for rappy with trapaling, all banana leaf. Wrap him like same body I go foreign. Cause that's the only protection him have is for rappy.
You know, me can't take anything, yeah. You not talk to him good. If you not talk to him good, you
Me
embarrass
can't force him for
Make
love.
me look like he that down the same front, I look a self front, girl.
Me can't force him who for love. All we can do is
Embarrassment,
talk
them
to him.
Then he man have a girl and run him so and gone down.
Me not
You know,
come down
like
of it.
and a long time I look a dirty foot boy too.
Me not condone it, but me can't control him. And
See,
from
look
What's up?
mine know you say still my son. And you
why
see
you
me
look
now
a
we
dirty
are.
girl? How me not say she come with
Oh, my wife. She gone home. Carry home.
Wife? Which wife?
you say front girl. We
Your
gonna
wife?
give him
Which
eggs.
wife?
My prostitute wife. Right.
And that's your brother boss. You know have no pride
Everybody have one life to live. I'm living my life.
with your prostitute wife.
Yes, I am very proud of it.
Yeah,
Alright.
I
So
am-
tell me something. Since we's all big people, since you make your decision, you buy coat,
no.
you buy hanger,
Me Charmaine.
you buy jacket,
Don't worry about
you
that.
buy tie.
The whole suit.
Okay, make sure say you wrap up in the whole suit. Come, me not ready for bury
Alright.
nobody yet.
Me
Okay.
Charmaine,
Ma'am.
in cocky go and drop off.
You don't worry about my cocky. My cocky
You
is
gonna
very
have
healthy.
AIDS, gonorrhea,
Yes.
HIV,
Uh-huh.
all of
The
V.
biggest set I go in the world.
COVID you gonna come back again.
Okay.
All
You
me
know
a
that
beg,
man,
nobody
man.
call down disease
Road.
and sickness.
Hmm?
All me
I
can
look
tell
at
you is
together,
protect
Road.
yourself.
Mama, road.
That girl shall breathe and get
Road.
jacket.
Alright.
Big up yourself.
All
Hello.
me can
Mama,
tell
let me tell
you.
this. You see when you make sure. Listen, I'm not chatting to you now.
Hi, me not done with you. Come
Hello.
here.
I am very finished with you.
Hello. Last time me check, you come from me, now
Alright.
me come from you. All me I gotta tell you, say me can't tell you who for be me advice. I'm the one. All me I gotta do is warn you one more time.
Even if you want me.
Since you're in love with the prostitute, all me I gotta beg you, please and thanks. Come in, I want to have to tell you something. Told you so. Wrap him like same I go on holiday.
You know where about me and my boy. Eh?
Wrap him like same
We
I
are
go on
doing very
holiday.
good. We are doing a good job at
Just
what we are
no
doing.
say other people energy you take on to, you know.
Yes. And I like it. I love it.
You know have no
finished
standards. Go long. You know have
Okay.
no standards.
Okay.
Oh God, you was
Cause you now
standard.
come find my wife, you know. Me shall go and find my own wife. So you don't worry about that.
No, cause you're in love with the prostitute. You're a
yourself.
prostitute too. Jam fool.
Say, wait till I book out that dirty bitch.
Where you come from? Where you come? I go up a yard, you know. So you can't tell me say it up a yard, you know. Where you they come from?
Oh,
As
mother-in-law.
your mother who? In-law who?
In-law. Mother-in-law.
I think when you have boyfriend.
Since we start run down people, man.
So you can't find your own man. God forbid, but you can't. I want one of them day, one of them girl cut a piece of board, knock you out right
Then
up.
I
No.
you say one police I come to. So that makes sense what you just said?
You are 18, so I am no longer your legal guardian. You are no adult. I don't
have
give
any
a damn.
guardian. I only
The
have
only thing me
guardian.
away from is your body for bury.
No, I'm looking
Because
for
uno young girl, all you do, go around and make mischievous
Uno
trouble.
father, all you do, I bring down on the pitney.
Bring it down where? We talk to you for the right. See, I run down boy when I want you. How you feel do that?
They did run your mommy name on you.
I wasn't running down your mommy. I was
Well,
buying your mommy until I fall in love with your mommy and stop her from doing that job.
Okay, so make me run down him until he fall in love with me. Come out of my business.
The only fall you go fall is on your face.
And that's how you chip up your mouth.
And that we do. You see, when the father or mother talk to you, not take heed. Only just think like say, on the world. On free out there. That's why some man come in with belly. If me never turn up strong,
come in with belly, that's my problem. Me reach the age. Me can't come in with belly if me want.
I have the back of your PP clock for you not bringing belly for me. Cause me now make what happen to my sister pick me, you know. Every night in father I go and toilet out a door. I never know some man in the toilet. That now go happen to me.
Man can't in a bamboo.
That not. Yeah, you tell me that really business today now.
Exactly my point. So when there's a lecture
every parents, when them if an outside toilet you have, check your outside toilet before you put your daughter in it. Because the man can't in there.
When I house, me go and carry the boy come and soccer him.
Who you talk to?
My father.
Exactly.
No.
I mean, I want to shut your box. You know what I put out you? Because you're 18, me fi dash you out the door, make you go look life.
You don't start about 18. You normally say when you're 22.
Yeah, you're adult. But now me feel like it's the time to put you out.
What me have part of share in the house too? Remember, mommy put money towards that, you know?
You see what your mother put towards that? I re-embrace your mother by booking her a flight.
You
I
know,
never
say
know
when,
say, that was the last flight me I book for her.
You know, say, like when you say lecture me, you say when I get old and John just start follow you, me not look my
I don't care with you because guess what? I have planned my own burial. Me no want you to bury me.
If you want me bury
me no want neither you nor your mama. That's why you can't get a man.
You can't give them curry goat.
You can give them the room and curry goat. Set up. How about that? Set up out of your mouth again. I can give you 2 tiny hand. Go up. Go take up the jars then when we see under the bed bottom. Like rat and bite them up under them. You look like you have to wash them for 6 months straight.
Go up. For you.
And that's why every time you buy one jars, because you don't want to wash. The nasty piece of dirty. It come like a one kettle me take up in the house. Eh? I saw the mama, I saw the daughter. You again?
Hello. No, I know me again. Where you say I'm going for later?
Later, so what you say? Now your friend will come this time again?
I don't think my friend will come.
Why?
Can't find man.
Damn! You see, that's what I'm saying. You have to second down with iron cards. It's good.
Good how?
Yeah, I like to change the prostitute them. That's how I do. I go around.
Oh well, me no want no body when me and they pick me the same age. Me no feel like me want that.
My daughter 18. So how much?
19.
So all I see him here.
Exactly my point.
Don't worry, we can put her out. And you can stay with me. Come just raise her up.
No business, you can't continue to raise him up. No.
I'm mad over one little black boy, he say. When her crush palm. Me not know a boy, I never see boy in my life. Me I wonder if I mad, she a mad. Cause me never see that the boy the way my mad over.
Oh.
Me don't know what's wrong with the society of young girl them. They don't sit down and take heed. Then take man instead of heed. You see just like when you come out of school and you gone and selling. Them now think to say boy they want a trade. Selling is not a trade. You understand?
Yes, I understand.
Me think the best thing you do is tap the prostitute.
Me I go stop, but me not feel like me want to stop with you.
And go in at some hard or college and further you. Because I believe in you. I believe you can. Then the money that we make, what you do with it?
I have to survive. Me I build my house and me have to buy my mattress and my stove and my washing machine and me have to buy clothes for put on my body because I cannot walk naked and I gotta at least do my hair because I cannot do it myself and I have to buy food to them because I will die of starvation.
We understand that then.
Okay.
But at least try to borrow a loan.
Well, me I borrow loan for
and push start yourself.
and who pay off that? If what if me borrow loan and me push start myself as me push start me buck me two and drop bluff on my face? What
No,
you gonna do?
if you walk with your head all high, you won't
Oh,
buck
me
it
can
up.
still walk with my head hold up high. After me can go say me go walk and go so bluff.
No, me no mean
Can
like
still
that.
buck me two.
Me no mean like that.
What?
You see, me, you know, if I did could I go back into the future, I would have tell myself one thing.
What?
If I could go back into the past, into the past, I would have tell myself to never go that road. Go the other road. That's the only thing. Cause my life would have changed. Would have been the next prime minister this year. This year election have come up. Election passed already, a matter of fact. You know, see our program, I could have did a speech. I could have talking about how to run the country.
I don't think you could handle that. Cause first and foremost, you can't even chat English. How you go run country?
How do you say I can't speak English?
Just like that. Or I cannot speak English.
I know a lot of English. Excuse me, who are you? Hello. So you call me dunce now?
I did
I
not
can
say
twang you now.
Twang in not go nowhere.
You El
You just look like a broke foreigner. My El Bumbo. Oh my God, Bumbo on my shoe.
Huh?
Exactly, shut your crap and top chat rubbish. You speak to me in a rubbish, me speak back to you in a rubbish.
Oh, you're a good girl. Just stop it, man. Stop it. If you see your friend,
When the
stop.
time right.
You stop it.
When the time right, I do not see the right person.
I can
to
lend
stop
you
for.
money and push your education further.
No medication reach a limit. You can't go no more. This brain is start malfunction.
How much subject you get?
8.
Yeah, are you still front?
Yes.
Jesus! I saw the government, they could have gone bad.
Yes, we're overqualified. We cannot get anything with them.
You should have just can't afford go give them talents afford you get.
Me can't care for. Me already have a certificate to show you. Me can't.
Rub it off.
You cannot rub it off. Impermanent.
Jesus! Alright, you what? I go and talk to a lawyer. Where you can make you get a work in the hotel industry or a pilot. Yeah. Go on, man. You smell raw, go bed.
Yuck.
Go on.
Are you there chatting on my face the whole time and you may smell? You can't see me smell myself. Jesus Christ.
Oh boy, lucky. Just born lucky.
So you say I'm gonna know.
Good, man.
Say now, can go make me get you something? Me hungry.
Man, just like that, man, like that. Are you belly thing about?
Yes, come here, look, maga done. The little time I start talk to you, I start get slim down.
Just wake up. You have to think about God first.
Me think about God and
pray?
thank. Yes, me pray this morning. Me thank God for life and everything. But what me I say that a little time I start second on with a no look ya. Yeah, see space in my shorts.
You know, see space in your shorts before.
They normally suck and come normally I eat 24/7. Come have to build up my body.
Actually, you have to minimize your body. You see me? Me don't want to get too big.
Okay.
When I get too little, I'm not get too big. If I get too big, I go sour. I don't want to
Me
get
not
sour.
sour. When me big, when I make me never sour.
Okay.
You don't let me lose a couple.
You have the little same something, you see me? But not entirely, just what get
So say now give me some. Really like how you do it last night, you know.
I don't think that you go and do, you know. But
You don't like it. Say one like you don't like it.
yeah. Remember say you 10 out of 10.
Ah, okay, one like you don't like it. I'm saying I'm a professional.
Enjoy. I don't tell us say, but they say the head top one. Oh,
Yes,
God,
a long time you did the head top one.
He good, still. I like it. No, like, big up yourself, man.
Hello.
Hello, what going on? Good?
Yes, my good. What I cannot believe is that. What you do? You say you really changed, nigga?
Yes, you say me change me find a man and me settle down with him. Me change the true girl.
Where man for?
Life, happiness, girl. You need to find a man of your own. He asked him I go married me. And when he married me, go get 50 fly out, girl.
Oh, a safari rich?
Yes!
Where in the door?
No, in a put on yet. Me say him a go married.
Surprise.
Oh, well,
Go
so
married.
sorry, sir. Well, me happy for you, but guess what? You see, this you know inspire me to change.
Yes. Me meant to talk to you about it.
I feel like I forgot find one man like him. But guess what?
What?
Guess what? In this lane and in this generation, I don't think we're gonna find any. So guess what? You see, I got change and I got say, I got top rundown man. I got see what
Right. Because you're so beautiful, you're sexy and nice. Every man out there wants. You understand?
You don't put this so far.
Why?
This about you flat everything.
Hold
Just
on.
look. Then the person.
Couple bump up, I will go up.
Couple what?
Couple bump up. A couple back shot and then we go
Yeah,
up.
me get when me sell, I know we can't move. I feel like say.
Well, you're still shape nice and shape bad. Some girl just big and shape bad.
Right.
Yes.
So guess what? I hope on the last. And
Yes.
I my best wishes.
Yes, girl. Clap that tea. Yes. Bye.
Wait, hold on.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Yes, goodbye.
See that? Say now, no friend can't give me friend.
Well, me have whole heap of friends, you know, but I don't know if them, I don't know if they stay like me.
What you mean by that?
Like, what we do and me do, I don't know, but me have whole heap of friends, man. Me can a bit pull two strings.
Yes, and if you pull two strings, because, you know, say I want good girl, and I like 40 leg in her face. She very nice and unique.
Oh, I'm not gonna know if she nice, but if I say she nice.
Dirty girl. You still tell my person?
What about this one?
Hey, don't bother. Please, man, just like, I beg you. Man, come
How
on.
are you?
Man, just like.
Every time you see me and my man, you they come harass we. How a problem?
Man, I feel we man.
Who feel we man?
Show me the ring.
Girl!
Show me the ring.
You see we him love me and him find out say me a prostitute. He find out say me a prostitute and he still want me. We soon get engaged.
Yeah.
Clap that tea, the ring soon up on the finger. Flash that in your face, dirty girl, you can't argue with me. Get yourself a man.
Hey,
But you see the man no want you.
Please.
The man do not want you. Ever they push up
Let me
yourself.
be.
The man no want
Just
you, girl,
let me
back
be.
down. Me no miss the way you want to call me and me got the man out of order. Yes, baby. Yes.
Yeah.
Hey. Watch out.
Jesus.
No piano, yeah?
Baby, oh God.
No piano.
Oh God, my brain.
You good, man.
You know my girl?
Yeah, I'm gonna say last night.
Me change and find a man, so my man me fine.
So that yes. To this thing.
Me change up my life.
That's so much girl you.
Titi, I know your mother did you today too.
So.
And that the road your mother did there.
I never did it.
I saw at this man here the run now. I have crush on that.
Yes.
Titi, me think I brought you up better.
No.
Titi, you see daddy poor and a struggle, right? My money go at the talk shop. Cause me can't say the F shop, so I have to put in the talk shop. Cause I look like a food me I buy every minute when I go there. And yeah, run down man, you can't even put up
Hello,
2 nails for you.
Sir.
Oh yeah, this man, bye-bye.
No, me not. This is just a show or something.
No, we have soon get married. A fine he come from.
No, do that.
It's time you there, a fight girl over man.
Right.
Then you can't embarrass
Pep is good. Drink one a day or 2 a day. Anyway,
So yet. I mean,
it's time
are
you
you fine?
there.
You're blind? Are you not?
I mean, what is
So I
that?
see him say me I see that.
I'll name out you like this. That's something disgusting.
No, not
What
my
is
mouth.
girl? Me I chat to you. It's time you there, you a fight girl over man. Only look a young girl, who gonna take up some education, you have the bungalow jazz them under the bed. Eh? When fly and fall under the bed, me think a beehive.
Are you come and argue with me, girl?
And you come here a fight over man. The time you there, you a fight over man, you go alive.
Me no pack up no jars up on my yard and no beehive no pa my yard. Me wash my jars them clean.
Eh? The time you there, you a fight over man, you go alive. Go
Yeah.
take up some book and read and get some more education.
Right.
What more subject you get? Let me share me right in front of everybody. Yes, sir. You come in and pay 5. And you there a fight over
I'm
man.
not thought I pay for you didn't send me to school.
The money they want me give you go to school, where you go? Man yard. Right. You come
Right.
like just your mama.
Like
Are you that this year?
Eh?
Are you that this year?
Sometimes I wish she was not my daughter.
I should talk to you so if I never meet me box down that long time.
Who, me? Box them now? Let me
Yes.
teach you something. You see the more strength you waste on them, and the more you get weak.
You could tell a man,
Yes.
girl, you notice my father there, so I try to have little respect.
Hello.
I do a man not if you have respect too.
Beehive
You
jazz.
notice?
No bother with it.
Boom, 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 tapping eyes, you know.
Are we? I mean, I
You
thought.
touch down the with your mouth, Pia?
No, never, never.
Come here,
What
let's chat
about
to you.
it? Never.
Where you gonna lick me for? Me a big old yes
Tell the
year old
people
girl.
them sorry.
Yes.
Sorry for what?
Yeah, man, we need to apology. And maybe,
Apologize.
maybe we
I saw my
let it go.
brother.
Eh?
What we brought you for do?
What about to do? Take
Have manners to people.
I'm asking people.
You not have manners to people. Look
And
for
then
the...
you man be there. I see alien.
Oh, so
Here
I
like
know.
your dirty pooper. And your mama. Take it up bright.
You see? She a
Hey.
alien and she
Hey.
a the bomb.
Now argue
Go
with me,
on
no.
up with that.
Me and you put in no
Yeah.
dealings. Oh.
So I know you.
Come on, you know. Better not go.
Prostitute? I know you.
Don't spot.
All right.
Why you here?
Yeah,
Why
man.
you here? Dirty bro. Now wait till I come up. Listen me. You see people like them there?
Yes.
No make them come around.
And I'm my friend that.
I feel your daughter.
I hear that.
Well, Aston today is not my daughter.
Okay, come in, never know
If
say
you
you bad.
come back here, come attack you, me get the authority. To block you in 2 foot them, but not kill it.
Right.
Block
Block it
it
up.
2 foot.
Me will do it.
Make it stay alive. And
No, none of that. So as me say, babes, no, married soon.
Me don't want one public wedding. I want a private wedding.
Well,
private one.
can do some. We
I don't want
give
bad
out
mind people there.
some invitations and them something.
Hello, my son.
Hello, mommy.
A marriage me really
Come out
here.
of this
Come
one.
out to the,
Yeah.
a marriage me really here you talk about.
Yes, I married my beautiful queen. Chocolate. No, babes? Yeah. So,
Hello, my mother-in-law.
Nobody call me that.
Mommy, please.
No call me no mother-in-law.
Please, don't bother with it. The morning just not too long come out and me can't bother with it.
You know, say if you get one conk in your head,
Watch out now. Just
you
relax now.
really not learn nothing.
Why you can't? You don't want to see me happy?
You know what? Me no want air me dirty laundry in the road. So, I beg you go home. I need to talk to you. Cause you not listen. You need a conk in your head.
Well, Anna, you come babes?
No. She busy. She can't come right now.
How busy doing?
Me no know, but you're busy. You can't come right now. No.
What do you mean? Your mother do not welcome me at her home, so I don't have to come. You can go on.
Alright, babes. So me text
And
you.
your vampire.
Alright, me text you. Come on, mom. Mommy, top come out of the yard now.
Wait, who you talk to about stop come out to the yard? I mean, if I tell you that, come in if I talk to you. That's why me not come, man. You not understand. And you make it look like semi and nag you out the streets.
No, mommy, but I know that. I tell you something, find my love. My love and my life.
You too.
Just let me be, you know.
Me can't make you beep, but when you me see you, I jump off of the cliff. Me can't make you just go off of the cliff so blind.
Mommy, Kayla make me alright with Kayla, so I'm just satisfied with Kayla.
No, man, you really
She changed for me, you know. She changed because of me.
change how?
She changed for me. She stopped doing something there for me. So I find love and I work with it.
You fi use your sense too. Huh? You find love, you work with it. You're there out with your friends all the time. The 2 minutes you spend with me and think, where is she there right now? You know what she do.
She there, yeah.
Cause you a watch her and know that, right? I hurt me, I try to save you from getting hurt. And worse.
Mommy, why make you hate me so much? Cause I hate you have to hate me, you know.
Which part hate you?
I hate you have to hate me.
I love you. That's why I don't want to see you make the same mistake. You for come do better than me. And better than your grandparents. Each generation for do better than the last. I mean, see you do wassa. You got me the biblical occupation. Who that know?
Mommy, just make me watch and see.
Ah, hello. Come in.
Good day.
You see how the spirit works.
Oh, Jesus. You like me, Charlie?
Yes, my good. You see how the spirit works.
Take a seat.
Huh?
Take a seat, please.
Get invited to sit on my bed, but alright.
So, me Charlie, you don't know, say. You go on me get from job. I see a dirty girl first. Yeah, no, say see a dirty girl gone with man.
Huh?
I bet you know say Mark X man come pick up the dirty girl. You know? Me shaman.
The same brown chocolate.
Daddy for embarrass me. In
I'm
prostitute
sure,
wife.
you sure you see what
Make
you
daddy go embarrass me. You know me feel hurt. But me not bother feel hurt again. And you feel hurt because you Maggie born.
So
Yeah, who man
you sure you see her? You sure she
your
you see?
prostitute wife with the black and red hair and the bend up foot with head so gone in a white Mark X. I just
And she stopped do the work for you.
once a prostitute will always be a prostitute, me shaman. So I just come to deliver the message.
So you're enjoying.
Me not enjoying it, but it's like the ancestors them send TT for prove the point. You know, hear what me and you just a talk about. And the ancestors and God send TT for prove it. And I me tell it a TT.
You know, call it your prostitute wife.
So I tell me say she really gonna do that?
You know, you're she gone in a market. And if I see what she wear, oh Jesus, come down here. Wow, but you rather will come up here so. And her titty sitting whole and titty the show. Prostitute will always be a prostitute. You still want her?
Yeah, come.
That's why I say TT is a better girl.
Oh yeah.
You see how God works? God always provide a witness. You couldn't come at a better time. Mark X.
White markets.
And she changed.
The license plate is 7364 FY6.
Detective.
Yes, I truth me they tell you.
Well, you see, like how I find out the truth, don't give up hope, my girl. Don't give up hope. Alright. You know how him tan, man. You and him soon make up. Alright, little more. Oh, God. Go shop.
Me Shamian, come back.
What do you know?
Me tired right now. He look a dirty thinking girl. See me on the board and I slap her for a bumper, but I saw me go on the man. But take a girl, man. Me say, look on the idiot. I mean, he want jump in a girl mouth, you know. Can me go say, hey girl. But me not bother do it. Me not bother do it because me not fight over. No, man. Look,
no.
Oh, kill yourself out, girl. No, in my class.
Nobody raise your pressure. Here, me done talk to him. Are we here become sick too? Remember where you there?
Bob!
Excuse me.
Bob, baby!
Hi, little miss. You coming up in people yard and you not even say hello. Plus, who give you permission for coming to my yard? Me send a call for Jezebel. You didn't hear me on phone order for Jezebel. Me no want no Jezebel in my yard.
Come out of my man yard, dirty girl.
You see the last time I look for you and tell us a good evening. You say you never see me, so I never think you really need a good evening now.
You in my yard. So come out to my yard. Bob normally go meet you out the street. Out the street you belong. A street worker you be. So go out the street.
Where you eat me so me ever day in a life?
Dirty girl, excuse me, Shamian. Just back, I mean, I want me a swinging cloth. Me Shamian.
Me no want that violence in my yard.
Me Shamian, let me turn by your twin.
Girl, nobody make me tell you things.
I look at yourself and girl, we can't get on here, Jeffy hot top, not me.
Girl, at least it.
Hey girl, come out of my man yard. I know, me.
What is she?
Alright, don't move. Hey girl, come out of my man yard. Come out of my man yard.
Alright, done with the banana leaf. I'm going to need it later. Him same choose she, so I'm going to need the banana leaf to wrap himself.
Bob is there?
Bob not there. Bob there out the street.
Me just don't sit down pan bam bam.
Hey, Donny. Woo! None of me yard, Donny. Lord God, what is? Jesus, Papa Jesus. Oh, what is why?
Fire burning me. Fire.
Yes. Man, you have the right to money, boy. You have the right to money. You know, so you have responsibility. You do have to. Eh? Yeah. You don't know, say you breed me daughter. Me see her vomit on the whole place.
Yeah, me know say she.
You think me a doctor, me have to the back of her wife up vomit and a assistant and a guarantee. Me not have the money. Right now, she want milk, she want fruit, she want every little thing you can give.
So do that, man. I start walk back in about 1 week time.
No, me no want to hear that in the car. No found no man on the go round and the breed people girl picking it and when belly start show and then push out the picnic and gone to backside. Some woman lucky enough if a man did there when they have the belly before them push out it. Some the belly not even grow. The moment they say to a woman say to a man, say, yo, I'm pregnant, the man say enough for me because he might run from responsibility. I still no found no man tan. Eh? She up their ball like a idiot.
Just go and take care of her.
Say you're still there with the same girl. And I chat to she same time. But she careless. Every time I tell him to tap open your foot. Like when time somebody a pin up clothes for a wire with clothespin. Lock your damn foot. Be a see you clothespin in the pack. Don't make no boy squeeze your head and go in on you. See, left him with belly now. Who could tell him now run the left him?
Me nah run no man, just go and take care of her time being.
Oh! My job was to raise her till she 18. Now she 18, that's your turn. Me not take care of nobody problem. You see problem and stress, me not ready for it now. Me I get whole.
Okay,
You hear what I say?
You start working at 1 week time, so you go and look after her till 1 week come. Till the pay there, come in the 1 week.
Oh, you go on there.
Yeah.
Little Mario. Hello. I'm saying Mario, my friend. Mario. Yeah, hard to. Yeah, like I want to put it in look tight fire still. But now that me tap your about how much weeks now you're not talking? Weeks on top of weeks you're not talking to. What is the problem?
You say, you then a man care after me and you left. After me left you same place me left you. Me say you gone now.
I lie. Maybe no man care. Me tap with me type of right. You never come to me and talk to me, Bob. When they know a relationship.
Yeah, but you me know
communication is the key. Used to, used to. Anyways, I'm not come to you about still.
Hungry. She hungry, man. She hungry.
You can't buy it.
Oh, I'm tired.
Me pregnant.
Jesus!
Oh, I'm think me can't hold your belly.
You what?
Me pregnant. Me could have breathe. Me no move. Me can't breathe. Where you going to?
Worries tonight. Worries tonight.
What problem?
Worries in the dance.
What?
Welcome to Jet 2 Blue, where you have to mind two picnic one time.
I mean, I look a rumor grown, but I don't believe it. Me hear say, TT attack.
Yes, it breed me daughter. Yes, it breed me daughter.
Because
yeah,
me say you're gonna carry man, so me put her up on the side.
I never gonna no care with no man. I can ask my friend, Kena.
To me, say you're gonna
hold,
put her up on the
hold.
side.
Now you are two picnic for maintain. Listen,
I want picnic.
My daughter now must suffer the consequence now, you know. So me have to know your whole generation. Me have to know your mother.
Hold up, hold me up, man.
You're not even sure she pregnant.
Me pregnant, me been a vomit, I have Marlin sickness, I made a skin, like a gig.
Wait, pregnant first.
Me believe you walk with the country, I believe you walk with the country.
Ask her how much line, but I say 4 lines.
A 2 line in there.
Oh.
You think me dance? Matter of fact, come on.
More I know your mother. More I know your father. More I know the whole generation.
Me know your mother, me don't know your father, but me know your mother live. Come on, me dear.
Come, because no boy now breed my daughter. How me not touch out this tip to you? What?
Mommy.
I'm going to never see you right, hello. Oh, excuse me. What is? Eh? What is?
I want to know each other.
What you doing in my yard?
Oh, me even know say your yard.
You know what?
Eh? Oh, me even me and I used to do business back then. Me and I
business.
Eh?
Business.
Nobody come in my yard, come chat me business. What you do ya?
What me I do ya?
What you do ya? Come perplex me.
Me have crisis for me hand right now, that's why I'm there. Me never know that you live here. Me call out your mother for me. Me never know that you live here. Eh?
See my mother here.
Yeah, but yeah. She don't like me.
I'm a son and I'm a yard.
No, listen.
And 2 people there are not supposed to there, so I don't want to know what go on. What you doing in my yard?
Let me ask you a question. I beg to vex with me because me was the most attractive man on the road. And every one of the prostitutes and they like me. Tell me now.
Why?
Tell me too.
You're not looking at me, mirror.
She used to ride on the bridge.
Oh. So you used to work on the
Moon,
bridge and like
that's why you come cross my spirit, you know.
Some of me, I work on the bridge. I am on her road.
She was one of the women that me fall in love with. Me I tell you, me did love her so much.
Chaka true, your train too. Your train station.
Was my train station closed, your train station wide open. That's why I don't want you with my son. And son is one thing to learn from your mistake. Is a next thing to learn from somebody else's. Me I try make you not learn from my mistake.
Hello, my mistake now. So I'm pregnant, Miss Charmaine. I know you don't like me, but I'm pregnant. You look shocked like you don't know already.
Me not look shocked. It just puzzle me if you say, yeah, me past time, what you call it, me long time woman that we used to buy.
Fucking pregnant for who?
For Bobby, sure.
I two pieces of mine.
Do a test, my son. Okay, you don't know if a jacket, tie, coat, and
where I tell the man, say, man? Where I tell the man, say? I two picnic off in mine right now too.
2
See
picnic.
and feel me picnic when breed. Him breed my daughter TT, one my brown daughter. My one daughter when me have a cherish.
Are your daughter?
Listen.
TT, are your daughter?
Of course.
How that little pretty girl could come from you?
And my daughter, her mother brown. Her mother was a prostitute, the same lady where you used to there over a bridge too. And my daughter, and she me moving with. Until he left me down and sell again.
Lord God.
I want to see.
Lord God.
What do you? Huh? What do you?
My son, I have to tell you something. I never want to tell you like this.
No.
Jesus Christ.
You don't understand. God no. Trust me.
Papa, your father.
What?
This a man.
This man, as him say, we did have to do what I did have to do back in the day. And him come with him sweet mouth. And me did think say me could have stopped and stop the business and come out of that the world. And him breed me. And him did promise me the world before, you know. But then you see when the morning me find out so I'm pregnant, that take up with my best friend and your auntie too. And I say, no sir, God will help me and my belly.
So,
And in all them years, me say me pray would never fight.
so when we come to you, until I say me they sleep too much, and me say to you, say, me feel like you're pregnant, and you say, no, I'm your best friend, the breed. And when we go to your best friend and can't go at that, and she not pregnant, when we come back, me not see up on the bridge again. Girl, like a kite. You know, come back yourself. You come hide. You know,
Hold on, Cockafat. Titi, your daughter.
yes,
You just a pick up?
Baba, your son.
yes. Me blow out.
God, God.
Oh my. You see? If you just make him breed me.
Your
Yes.
brother, your sister.
On the walk list.
My Miss Charmaine.
Lord.
Walk list.
And she there set me up on her.
Just, hello. If you need just make me tell
Boy.
you, boy, this would happen.
You have to catch my breath.
Every
Yes.
time him class me out. Anyways,
So,
me I can't go and go lie down. The baby is warming up.
let me ask you a question. So your own mother push it to your doom to breed your sister.
Me tell you something, pick her up. Me never tell you something. You Jesus
But look now,
Christ.
like a God that push me away. Me tell her
Hello.
no. She pretty yes, but me tell her
Hello.
no. I have to tell her say.
Miss
Oh,
Charmaine.
I want to
Miss
say.
Charmaine.
This
Miss
is a
Charmaine.
abomination. Somebody have to die. It's either she or you. No.
You mad? When you get rid of him, who take care of my baby? Miss Charmaine. Don't get your heart attack because I'm going to have the house.
Hey, cut out that. Cut out that. Are you a
The
fault?
house here.
Which one's my fault? If you never full of lie, where you go? Which you people
house.
never lie? You could have known say you have a son and a raise a family, and you do this to it.
Hello, may I go inside of the house?
Just you
Which
and
house you can't go in no house? You what? No
buy a friend.
So what problem?
Oh God.
Buy me used to buy
What
a friend.
problem is Charmaine?
One night he gonna link me. I'm gonna tell her, listen.
Stop the whole entire world.
No.
Let me ask Familia something. You say she need us make her son stay with me because me not related now, me and she not related. Why she never make her son stay with me? She push her son to there with her sister. I know the sister bring me and say me I'm going out because I am pregnant.
I don't care where you want to go. You want to go up on the stove, you want to go in the shower.
But don't worry yourself, I know what I'm going to do. You see you do it to find me. I remember say courthouse don't nice and I don't dare me and bring you. This now go so you're lucky. You're your abomination.
My abomination? It was an abomination because somebody got to die.
Don't die him. Me need to take care of the baby, my dear. Bye.
Listen to me. You cause this. I'm telling you, you cause this. Your mother caused him an ID for you. Your mother used to work on the bridge. Right?
Yeah, they are cost people and I work on bridge too.
I buy so much. I used to love it, son. I used to love it so much. Oh, me love it. Every time I go on the bridge, I she alone me I buy. Until one day me go there, me can't find no condom. I say, no condom, you know. She said, no man, me trust you. Rather, right?
No, tell the truth. Tell the truth. Me always use condom. Don't turn up and tell lie.
Right.
Me use condom and you pinprick the condom for me. That tell lie.
Alright, we bust the condom.
Jesus.
Because you always check it. So if you check it and put it on, we prick it. We make sure my fingernail like I'm going to prick it. And we fly off in there and me think, you know, normally when woman turn up, you run down. And no, you know, they don't breathe after that. Most of the time. Some of the time you're lucky, some of the time you're not lucky. Boom. 1 week, 2 weeks I go down, I feel myself tired. Come to her and I say to her, I say, you're pregnant? How am I pregnant? How am I pregnant? Where? How do you want to mash up my business? Mash up my business. So you see in this, me now, me move to the brown one. His friend, I'm start talking to his friend and living with his friend. And in bad mind and jealousy and envy, she left the bridge, pack up. Me not see her nowhere, not even in the area. Me check her house, then tell me that she move out and got, yes, you.
Me bad man, and if you never pop the condom, none of this would have happened in the first place. And you pop the condom, you know, say me no use, they don't do nothing with the rubber. And you pop the condom, and then.
Not for your phone, no sin. Only is an abomination, you know.
And him a put it on me. Me know what me was. And me change my life. That not change. That was a past, son. Me dash with that life.
You know where you go call that the pity they know? Huh? Sister or brother. And never be called back uncle.
Sick of you. And you caused all of this. And I put blame on me. At least me try change my life. Me repent to God. And me turn my life round. And me butter. And me and my son, me never even come find you for a penny. Look how big him be before you find out.
You know what me I do right now? I go up on my yard, you know. I pack my daughter bag. I send him backside down here. I send him somewhere else.
Send her where you want, send her.
Me no want no picnic come look for me and call me Grandpa.
And Daddy, because you don't know Daddy neither. Much less Grandpa. You don't deserve that the title.
What time I go call me Grandpa?
Jesus Christ.
No, what is that going to be? You see how your mother do me, yeah? Anything what happen, blame me for your mother. Remember me tell her that.
But I can't believe it.
Son,
Are you a cussing little girl?
me never want you to go down the same line.
Are you a forcing partner? Are you a forcing party? David is a nice girl.
Me tell you if you talk to the girl, me never tell you if you push it in. So hold on. Are the two of them you not use condom with? Are you are the damn idiot?
Ooh.
All the story me tell you, you don't use condom. You don't use no condom, Bob. How much woman you breed out there? You don't use condom. That is the biggest idiot. You're lucky said just breed and no disease you come in with. Jesus Christ.